Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today we are going to continue our Ancient Civilizations series by looking at the origins of Christianity. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Early in the Pax Romana, a new religion, Christianity, arose. At first, Christianity was one of many diverse religions practiced in the empire. Some people honored traditional Roman gods, while others practiced secret rituals that started in places such as Egypt. In general, other religions were tolerated in Rome. Jews in the empire were excused from worshiping Roman gods. However, over time, some Jewish conservatives rejected outside influences and called on Jews to revolt against Rome. Some Jews also believed a Messiah, or anointed king sent by God, would appear and lead them to freedom. As rebellion grew, the Romans crushed the rebels and eventually destroyed the Jewish temple. Thousands of Jews were killed in the fighting, and others were enslaved. However, teachers called rabbis preserved Jewish law. Christianity developed as people began to follow the teachings of Jesus. Jesus was born in Bethlehem. At the age of 30, the Gospels relate that Jesus began preaching to large crowds. He recruited 12 apostles, or close followers, to help spread his message. Though his teachings were firmly rooted in Jewish tradition, Jesus also preached that he was the Son of God. Many people believed he was the long-anticipated Messiah. Jesus said his mission was to bring spiritual salvation and eternal life to his followers. He emphasized God's love and the need for justice, morality, and service to others. According to the Gospels, Jesus was betrayed by one of his disciples and condemned to death by crucifixion. The Gospels also report that he was resurrected or raised from the dead. After Jesus' death, the apostles and other followers spread his message. Paul is said to have played the most influential role in spreading Christianity. Paul traveled the extensive Roman road network, spreading the teachings of Jesus. He explained that Jesus sacrificed his life to atone or make amends for the sins of humankind. However, Rome was not tolerant of Christianity as it was with other religions. Christians often met in secret and, under some Roman rulers, were persecuted. Those that were killed in times of persecution became known as martyrs, or people who suffer or die for their beliefs. Despite these attacks, Christianity continued to spread. In AD 313, the Emperor Constantine issued the Edict of Milan, which granted freedom of worship to all Roman citizens. Soon after, Theodosius had made Christianity the official religion of Rome. In time, the scattered Christian communities came together as a structured church. To join the Christian community, a person had to be baptized. Through baptism, a person's sins were forgiven by God. Although men and women were initially viewed as equals in the church, only men made up the structure of the Christian clergy, or group who conduct Christian services. Each Christian community and its clergy were grouped together as a diocese with a priest. Over the priest presided a bishop, a high church official. Some bishops of important cities, such as Rome, gained greater authority and were given the title of patriarch. In time, rivalries among the patriarchs grew. In the Latin-speaking West, the bishops of Rome became known as popes. The popes claimed authority over all other bishops. The bishops in the Greek-speaking East disagreed. They felt the authority should be shared. The growth of heresies, or beliefs said to be contrary to official teachings, also caused divisions in the church. Early Christians produced many works defining Christian theology. One of the greatest church scholars was Augustine, Bishop of Hippo in North Africa. He combined Christian doctrine with Greco-Roman learning, especially the philosophy of Plato. Okay, here is your recap. During the Pax Romana, Christianity popped up as just another religion in Rome's spiritual buffet. At first, Rome was chill about religious diversity, worshiped Jupiter, practiced secret Egyptian rituals, or, if you were Jewish, skipped the Roman gods altogether. But tensions rose, and when Jewish rebels fought back, Rome crushed them, destroyed the temple, and scattered the survivors. Meanwhile, Jesus of Nazareth preached love, justice, and eternal life, gained followers, and was crucified, only for his disciples to claim he made the ultimate comeback. His teachings spread like wildfire, thanks largely to Paul, Rome's busiest traveler. Roman emperors, not big fans of secret Christian meetings, cracked down hard, making martyrs out of many. Then Constantine flipped the script in AD 313, legalizing Christianity, and Theodosius later made it Rome's official religion. The early church organized itself with priests, bishops, and eventually popes, but power struggles soon divided the East and West. Theology got a boost from thinkers like Augustine, who mixed Christian beliefs with Greek philosophy. Because if Rome was going to borrow from Greece, why stop at art and architecture? There you have it, folks. That is the origins of Christianity nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Smash those like and subscribe buttons for me, and I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.